We spoke a lot about the six-pack creation in last few videos, and the females. What about the females, doctor? That's what a lot of patients ask me. The females, it's not called six-pack. We don't try to create the six-pack in females unless they are athletic. We want to have the athletic kind of a look. We create. Otherwise, usually we create something called two-pack. Two packs are nothing but the midline rift has to be created, and the side, the negative shadows has to be created. If you create the two lines, it's called two packs. Usually the midline rift goes down below the navel. So don't try to create the midline rift below the navel. It has to be above the navel, and the two sides has to be etched nicely so that the shadow looks very good. Same way, along with these two things, we have to make the hip bone looks more prominent. So remove a lot of fat in the hip bone regions. Another thing is create the nice good curve here. Even some people, they don't have the curve. We have to create the curve by removing the lot of fat in the area. Usually my landmark is, if you draw a 45-degree angle line where it cuts the side, that is the area where the maximum curve is supposed to be. If you can't find a proper curve already, this is the landmark for creating the curve. And already people have a curve. If they want to exaggerate the curve, do more liposuction in those areas to give the good curve. Same way, if you remove all the fat in the sides, what happens? That becomes flat, the curve will disappear. So it's not that removing the fat everywhere is important. Keeping the fat where it's supposed to be and give a good curve is very important. So liposuction is not that everywhere you remove the fat. Liposuction is the procedure where you have to remove the fat where it's supposed to be and keep the fat where it needs to be. That's what called liposuction techniques, and abdominal etching and pectoral etching and all this high definition liposuction means this. Some people, they want to create the line in the muscle borders, say example deltoid borders, all biceps grooves, all these the grooves they want to create, that can be done by the high definition liposuction technique, like how we do the six packs and the two packs. So we can in fact create the bodybuilder's physique by doing a proper the sculpting technique, and if they maintain the diet and exercise, that looks very much evident, and it will be really useful for a lot of people.